Welcome to my video on array concatenation and splitting. In this video, we'll go over how to combine multiple arrays into one array and also how to split an array into multiple arrays. So first what we're going to do is import numpy as np. Then we're going to take two one-dimensional arrays and use the function np.concatenate to concatenate them. And so what this does is it puts 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and you can combine more than one array. So more than two arrays at a time. So what we're going to do is we're going to use np.concatenate to combine three arrays this time. So we're going to concatenate x, y, and z. And there we have it. Next, you can use grid equals np.array. So we have a 2 by 3 array. And we're going to use np.concatenate on grid and grid. So what we're going to do here is the axis value here is initially set to 0, so there is no axis value put in, but it's default to 0. So what it's going to do is it's going to combine them on the row element. So it's going to combine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to stack them vertically. So when we run that, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, what we're going to do is grid, and by default here the axis is 1. And so what that's going to do is it's going to stack them horizontally, meaning the columns are going to be combined. So we should end up with a total of 2 rows and 6 columns. So when we run that, you get 2 rows, 6 columns. Now we have x equals np.array, a 1 by 3 array. We have grid equals a 2 by 3 array, and we're going to run that. Now what we're using here is called vstack, and what vstack does is it stacks them vertically. So it's very simple to see that x and grid will be stacked on top of each other. You'll get 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 1, 2, 3 combined together. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 when we run this. There we have it. Next, we're going to do np.array is going to equal 99, 99. It's a 2 by 1 array, 1 column, 2 rows. So np.hstack, we're going to stack them horizontally. So we're going to stack grid and y horizontally because as you can see here, right, you can't stack them vertically because the column values are different, but you can stack them horizontally because the row values are the same. So when we run this, we should have them stacked across. There you have it. So next, we're going to have x equals a one-dimensional array, 1, 2, 3, 99, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to use the np.split function to split these. And so what we're going to do is we're going to split on the indice values. So we're going to split on the value 3, and we're going to split on the value 5. So we're going to split on the third index, 0, 1, 2, 3, third index, 99. So what you do is you end up splitting one value before. It goes up to that value, but not including that value. So it splits on 3, which is technically here. So it's going to split 1, 2, 3 apart, and then it's going to split on 5. So it's going to split 99 and 99 apart, and then it's going to split whatever is left, 3, 2, and 1. So when we run that, we should get 1, 2, 3, comma, 99, 99, comma, 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. Notice that n split points leads to n plus 1 subarrays. So we have 2 split points here, so we have 3 subarrays. Also previously, I forgot to mention, you also have np.dstack, which will allow you to stack arrays along the third axis, which will be useful if you're using 3-dimensional arrays. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to do grid equals np.arrange 16, so it goes 0 to 15. Dot reshape into a 4 by 4 array. So we run that, and there's our 4 by 4 array. What we're going to use is np.vsplit to split this up into 2 sections, upper and lower. So we're going to split on the row value of 2. So it should split 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it goes up to 2, but not including 2. So this is the second row element, because it's 0th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, but what it's going to do is put on 2nd minus 1 because it goes up to but not including, so it should split here. It should have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 broken apart from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we run that, and there we have it. Next, we have left comma right, so we're going to do np.hsplit to split them horizontally. So when we run this, it should split them apart. Yep, splits apart the left side and the right side. You also have np.dsplit, which will allow you to split on the third axis. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please consider subscribing,